Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Seven Oaks is a historic and well-established area in the north end of Winnipeg, known for its strong community roots and connection to early Manitoba history. The neighbourhood sits near the west bank of the Red River and has grown into a mix of residential streets, schools, parks, and local services. Today, it's part of a larger district that includes several smaller communities, all tied together by shared amenities and a long-standing sense of place. For visitors, Seven Oaks offers a look at everyday life in a mature Winnipeg neighbourhood, away from the busier downtown core. The name Seven Oaks is closely tied to one of the most significant early conflicts in the region, the Battle of Seven Oaks, which took place in 1816. This confrontation between the Hudson's Bay Company and the Northwest Company marked a turning point in the struggle for control of the fur trade in Western Canada. While the original battle site lies slightly outside the immediate neighborhood, the name remains a lasting reminder of how this area fits into the broader story of Manitoba's early development. As the city expanded in the 20th century, Seven Oaks evolved into a suburban-style community with a focus on family living. Residential streets are lined with a mix of mid-century homes, newer developments, and apartment buildings, reflecting decades of gradual growth. Schools, community centers, and shopping areas are spread throughout the district, making it a practical and self-contained part of the city. One of the key features of the area is access to green space. Parks and recreational areas are woven into the neighborhood, providing room for sports, walking, and outdoor activities. The nearby riverbanks also add a natural element, especially during the warmer months when trails and open spaces become more active. In a prairie city like Winnipeg, these green areas play an important role in daily life, offering a break from the built environment and a place for the community to gather. Seasonal changes are especially noticeable in Seven Oaks. Summers bring greenery, active parks, and longer daylight hours, while winters introduce snow-covered streets and a quieter pace. Like much of Winnipeg, the neighborhood adapts to these extremes, with residents continuing their routines through all seasons. This ability to function year-round, despite a challenging climate, is a defining part of life here. Winnipeg is the capital of Manitoba and sits near the geographic center of North America. It is located at the meeting point of the Red River and the Assiniboine River, a historic crossroads that has shaped the city's development for thousands of years. Indigenous peoples lived and traded here long before European arrival, making this one of the oldest continuously used meeting places on the continent. That meeting place is now known as the Forks, one of Winnipeg's top attractions. For over 6,000 years, it served as a gathering site for trade and culture. Today, it has been redeveloped into a public space with markets, restaurants, walking paths, and historical exhibits, blending the past with modern city life. Winnipeg became an important transportation and economic hub in the late 1800s, especially after the arrival of the railway. Its location made it a gateway to Western Canada, attracting immigrants and businesses. By the early 1900s, it had grown into one of the country's largest and most influential cities, known for its grain trade and financial institutions. The city is also known for its cultural depth. It is home to major institutions like the Canadian Museum for Human Rights, the Winnipeg Art Gallery, and a strong performing arts scene. Festivals play a big role here as well, including Folklorama, which celebrates the city's diverse cultural communities, and Festival du Voyageur, which highlights its French-Canadian heritage. Winnipeg's climate is one of its defining features. Winters are long and cold, with temperatures often dropping well below freezing, while summers are warm and sunny. This contrast shapes daily life, from skating on frozen rivers in winter to enjoying outdoor patios and parks in summer. The city embraces these extremes, turning them into part of its identity. Winnipeg is also known for its strong neighbourhood character, where each area has its own identity and history. Districts like Exchange District feature well-preserved early 20th century architecture and reflect the city's boom years as a commercial centre. In contrast, areas such as Street, Boniface highlight the city's deep French heritage, with bilingual services, historic churches, and cultural institutions that continue to shape Winnipeg's identity today. Another defining feature of Winnipeg is its connection to the surrounding prairie landscape. The city is relatively flat, with wide skies and long sightlines that change dramatically with the seasons. Agriculture plays a major role in the region's economy, and Winnipeg remains a key service and distribution centre for Manitoba and much of central Canada. Despite its urban growth, it still feels closely tied to the land around it, offering visitors a mix of city life and open space that is distinctly prairie Canadian. Today, Winnipeg is a city of about 800,000 people, known for its affordability, strong sense of community, and mix of urban and natural spaces. Whether exploring historic sites, relaxing in parks, or walking along the rivers, visitors get a clear sense of a city that is both grounded in history and still evolving. Thanks for watching!